Hi, my name is Dr. Elizabeth Imbusi. I work as a pediatrician at Tree of Life Healthcare. I love babies and it's my passion to see the babies are in good health.
Children cry all the time. Is it okay for children to cry?
Crying is very important for a baby. Remember, when a baby is born, if they don't cry, it indicates there's a problem. So first of all, it's good to remember that it's normal for a baby to cry. But it becomes an issue when a baby has inconsolable crying. So inconsolable crying is whereby a baby cries even with consolation, the baby doesn't stop crying. You breastfeed the baby is still crying. You try to cuddle the baby is still crying. So that indicates a problem. But generally, a baby would cry for reasons such as discomfort, for pain, for requiring a diaper change, for hunger. So it's important to check when a baby is crying, you've changed the diapers, you've breastfed the baby. Is the baby still continuing to cry? If the baby still continues to cry, even after breastfeeding, then it indicates there's a problem. So it's important to check, is it to differentiate between inconsolable crying and a crying that could be consoled.
So another thing is, within our culture, we have a culture of wanting to cover the babies with, 3 layers of clothes and 3 blankets, and we just have a question about whether that is safe to have the baby covered at all times.
It's a thing I've seen that is so common. Most babies brought to the clinic or were brought to the hospital are always covered with so many blankets that they're sweating, they have fever. And the mother will tell you that she didn't want the baby to get pneumonia, because the myth is that when the baby is exposed, when the baby is not warmly clothed, they would get pneumonia. Well, the problem with that is that when you overdress the baby, especially with the weather changes right now, the weather is really hot, and if you put like 3 blankets on the baby, then the baby will actually get fevers, get rashes because of sweating, and even the profuse sweating is not also good. So it's important to actually just do what is enough. Like, you can get light, when the weather is hot, use light clothings for covering. When the weather is cold, then you can actually use warm blankets. So evaluate the weather and see whether do I need to cover the baby with warm blankets or do I need to cover the baby with light blankets. Yeah.